Okay, so to solve for x, we're going to factor. Remember that zero product rule that says if two or more things multiply and equal zero, then we can set one of those things equal to zero, and it's still totally legal. So this x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 0. I'm going to factor those and set those factors equal to 0. X and x. The second sign is a plus, so both of them will be the same sign. The first sign is a plus. I want them to add up to be positive, so I'll choose positive plus sign to both of the brackets. I need two numbers that multiply to give me 9, but add up to give me 6. I'm going to do 3 because 9, I can have 3 times 3. And then 3 plus 3 would give me 6. So I check my middles just in case. 3x. X times 3, also 3x. 6x is my middle. So now I have x plus 3 times x plus 3. And I know I'm going to have two answers because I had this exponent tells me how many answers I'll have for x. So I'm going to break this one. I'm going to set this equal to 0. X plus 3 equals 0. I'm going to solve for x. I'm going to move away the 3. So x equals -3. I have the same exact thing on the other side. I happen to have x plus 3 again. X equals -3, x equals -3. Okay. 5x squared equals 13x plus 6. And the zero product rule says that I have to have those things set equal to 0. So to get it set equal to 0, I'm going to do minus 13x minus 6. And I'm going to take these to the other side. So now I have 5x squared minus 13x minus 6 equals 0. When it's set equal to 0, I can now factor it and set my parts equal to 0. It's a little harder when you have the first number, the first coefficient, put it that way. That's not 1. You got to take your time. So 5x and x give me the 5x squared. The second sign is negative. That tells me my signs will be different, minus, plus, or plus, minus. The first sign is negative, so I want these to add up to be negative. I want the larger of the factors to be negative. So this has to be the bigger one. The one that's here. So for 6, I can use 6 and 1. 3 and 2. Or I can switch those around and use 1 and 6. And 2 and 3, or 2 and 3. I'm just gonna go from the top. Try 6 and 1 in that order. 6 and 1. So I have 5x squared, that works. -6, that works, and it's just the middle that are concerning. So minus 6x. And plus 5x. Together, that gives me a minus x. That doesn't work, because I'm looking for minus 13x in the middle. I can try now with the 3 and the 2. I'm just going down the line and trying, since you guys aren't talking to me anyway. So I'm just gonna try 5x minus 3. And x plus 2. Just keeping the same sign, same order, and just switching out the numbers. So I have minus 3x. And 10x. So that gives me 7x. I'm looking for minus 13, so that doesn't work. I'm gonna try again with the 1 and the 6. So I'm checking my middles, minus 1 times x minus x. Oh, this is large. 5x times 6, 30x. So 29x, nowhere close. I'm gonna try again, same setup. I'm just substituting out the different factors that I find. So 5x minus 2. And x plus 3. Okay. So I check my middles and erase that. So minus 2x. X times 3, 15x. 15 minus 3, 13x. Is that what I'm looking for? But this is a plus 13. I need a minus 13. So I'm going to switch the signs because everything works except for my signs. So I'm going to put a plus here and a minus here. That's a big enough one. Minus. And then I'm going to check again because, you know, I worry. So plus 2 times x is plus 2x. 5x times minus 3 is minus 15x. That gives me a minus 13x, which is what I need. So this is my final answer. 5x plus 2 times x minus 3, but I didn't even do anything yet because I have to set those equal to 0. So 5x plus 2 equals 0. I'll take the 2 to the other side. We get 5x equals negative 2. Divide by 5 both sides. So one of my answers is x equals negative 2/5. And then the other side is x minus 3. I set that equal to 0. X equals 3. And those are my two. X equals 3. And those are my two answers. X equals negative 2/5 and x equals 3. Just gonna keep doing a million of these. Talk to me whenever you want to talk to me. X squared minus x plus 4 equals 0. I factor and I set both of my factors equal to 0. And then I solve for x, or whatever the letter is. And x, second sign is positive. That means they'll both be the same, but I need them to add up to be negative. So I'm going to make them both negative. 4, I need 1 in the middle. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. Because I can do 4 times 1, that gives me a 3. No, that gives me a 5. X minus 2, x minus 2.